vending. Now let me introduce our lift vending machine and teach you how to purchase the goods. First, this is the 8-inch screen for advertising, and this is the beer reader. This is the machine keyboard for purchase, and this is the coin reader. This is the coin return back exit. And this is the deliver box. Now let me show you how to purchase the goods. First, look at the showing case and choose the items you want. For example, if I want to choose these products, you can see the item number is 11. Now just press 11. You can see the item's number is 11. The price is $1. Now you can pay by beer and by coins. Now the lift will raise up to deliver the goods. It will deliver the goods safely. Now you can take out the goods. Now let me show you buy another goods. If I want to buy these products, 12. Just press 12. The price is $1. You can pay by coins. Insert the coin here. Okay, now you can take out the goods. The purchase is ending.